Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bubble effect in Scratch. First, let's set up our project. Choose a main sprite, perhaps a fish, and an underwater backdrop to create a suitable environment. We will hide this main sprite, as it will act as a bubble factory. The actual bubbles you see will be its temporary copies, known as clones, appearing from its location. Next, let's design our bubble sprite. Create a new sprite by drawing a simple circle. Give it a light blue outline and ensure there is no fill, making it hollow. To achieve a realistic, translucent look, apply a ghost effect, perhaps setting it to 60%. We'll also set its initial size randomly, anywhere from 20 to 100% for visual variety. Now let's animate the bubbles. When a clone starts, make it show itself. Use a repeat until loop with a change Y by block, like changing Y by 3 to make the bubble float upwards. Simultaneously, gradually increase its ghost effect by 5 to make it fade. Randomize the bubbles starting X and Y positions to ensure they appear across the screen, then delete the clone when it reaches the top. To generate many bubbles, use a forever loop on your main sprite to create clone of myself, adding a short wait time, like 0.1 seconds between each clone. For interaction, use when this sprite clicked on the clones. When a bubble is clicked, you can make it pop by deleting the clone and playing a fun sound effect, enhancing the user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.